Today we are going to test out SART. Hi guys, myself Aman. Welcome to my channel Siemens Blog. If you are new here, please do consider subscribe this channel. I made video on the best of maritime life. So in this video today we are going to cover how to test SART on board. Before we head into how to test SART, we would like to share some of the facts regarding SARTs. First fact, SART. SART stands for Search and Rescue Transponder. And basically, as per the SOLAS, we have to carry 2 SART on board if our vessel is more than 500 GRT. If the vessel size is less than 500 GRT, we are supposed to carry only 1 SART, which will be kept on the bridge. And if more than 500 GRT, the other SART will be on live boat. Now, what is the use of SART? SART is used for basically sending distress signal to alert other person that we are in distress, please help us, and it send our signal. Also, the best part of the SART is a portable one, so we can carry in live boat, as well as it's a made up of buoyant material, so it will float in sea in case if it is fell down. And thanks to the courtesy of the IGTV video of Captain Vijay sir, because of him I gathered so many other facts as well. Now this SART is if it is fell down for more than less than 20 meters, then nothing is going to happen, as well as it is oil free and water free. If it is touch any oil or water, no problem. Now, on what frequency does the SART work? SART work on the frequency of 9 GHz. It means that X band radar. I can show you the X band radar. It's on. You can see here. This is the X band radar. Now what happens whenever we switch on our radar? That time it starts sending distress signal. And any vessel in the vicinity of 8 to 10 nautical mile, they will gather our signal and they can help us. So, and this SART have lithium batteries, so it's a standby. If the SART is in standby mode, it will work for 96 hours. If it is in operation mode, it will work for only for 8 hours. So this is all the fact. Now we are going to test SART and we are going to see how it is going to work. So for testing the SART, each and every SART is being tested on different purpose by different method, and it's only depend upon the manufacturer. Now here we are going to see how it is going to work. So you can see here, this is the SART, and you can see the instruction. Activate, you have to click on 1. For test mode, you have to slide the button to 2. And you can see here we have the test mode. It's very fun, easy one. For testing, just we have to do, we have to slide this button up to here, and in case if you want to switch it on, we have to remove this one, and like this we have to press it down and it will be on. Now we have seen in Captain Vijay sir that we have the lanyard, but here we don't have the lanyard, because basically lanyard is used for the mounting purpose in case if we are going on lifeboat or life raft. Because what happened, this SART used to send distress signal. So in case if you want to send distress signal, of course we have to put it on something top position so that it will send the signal without any interference. Now the radar is on, you can see that. Now we are going to test the SART. So if we will switch it, if we are going to test the SART from here, it is not going to function, because radar also need to catch a signal. So I will go to deck in order to that. And what happen if it sends signal? What will happen on the radar? So in case if it starts sending signal, it will show on the radar as a 12 dot. The first dot is your vessel and the next 11 dot is showing you the position. The more closer our vessel will go, it starts the dot will start converting into semicircle and then like concentric circle. So now today we are going to test out the SAT and let's see whether it comes on our radar or not. So today we are with the captain of the vessel and we are going to test out the SAT. So captain.
Okay, good morning. This is the SAT. For test we need the radar of X-band. Here we are. We put on 0 to 5. You can make it smaller if you wish. And then we will bring this. We bring this button to the test.
So for that it will catch from here or I have to go to deck?
You go to outside. I'm gonna go outside and do the test.
Now captain is going outside. So he is going to check from outside and here we are going to see. So even we put on the test mode showing nothing on the radar.
But
because
you see this blue, this one. This is the mark of the SAT when very close.
Oh, so this the blue color is the mark of SAT.
No, you see before this is coming the blue.
Oh.
This is the mark.
So this is how we used to do the testing of SAT.
Yeah.
It's not showing only the reason because we are very close.
Very close. Should we go a little bit
should
far?
be little bit around half nautical mile. Then only it will be possible.
Can on deck you will see this mark. They will show yellow line.
No.
That is will be very close. That is where you do the test and you do the search before they showing the line after the dot, before the dot, after the very close again they showing the line, and then coming close again they will blur all the radar.
No. So this is how we used to test the SAT.
Yeah.
And hopefully I cover all the topic, all the fact. In case if I miss some of them, please do leave the comment. I will try to cover in my next video. And if you like this video, please share this video as much as possible. Peace.